Horse-drawn transportation averaged about 15 miles a day in the 19th century. The freedoms that come from owning a vehicle and having 4 million miles of roadway at your disposal in the U.S. alone has opened up new vistas for each individual. The only requirement is that each driver balance this immense freedom with the responsibilities that come from sharing the road with others. Many people share our roadways. Not all of those people are in vehicles. It helps to know how to deal with pedestrians, bicyclists, and motorcyclists safely. You should also know what to do if you are involved in or come upon an accident. One in 6 traffic fatalities is a pedestrian. Skillful and responsible driving can eliminate most of these tragedies. So drive safely when pedestrians are close by, or even when they may be close by. Most collisions involving pedestrians occur on Friday and Saturday nights from 6 to 9 p.m. Over half of the pedestrians 16 and older who are killed in nighttime crashes are intoxicated. Part of the responsibility does lie with the pedestrian. Many pedestrian fatalities occur when a pedestrian is jaywalking or crossing a street without paying attention to traffic rules. Cross at intersections and marked crosswalks. Follow the directions given by traffic lights or the walk, don't walk signals. Look left, right, and left again before crossing to check for any traffic still in the intersection. If you are in the crosswalk when the walk sign flashes, complete walking across and don't hold up traffic unnecessarily. Finally, specific laws state that pedestrians are not allowed to walk on toll bridges or highway crossings unless there is a sidewalk more than 3 feet wide and signs permitting pedestrian access. The answer to validation question number 42 is D. Drivers have a greater share of responsibility for driving responsibly and avoiding impacts with pedestrians. Drivers must always stop for any pedestrians crossing at corners or at crosswalks. Pedestrians have the right of way at corners, even if they aren't marked with white-lined crosswalks. Any intersection with roads meeting approximately at right angles and with sidewalks means that a crosswalk is there, even if no white lines are drawn. Always stop for a person carrying a white cane, with or without a red tip, or being led by a seeing eye dog, whether or not he or she is in a marked crosswalk. These pedestrians are partially or totally blind and cannot see you, so you must give them the right of way. Finally, as a driver, you technically have the right of way when a pedestrian attempts to jaywalk away from crosswalks. Jaywalking means crossing a street without paying attention to traffic rules. The term comes from the word jay, which means a newcomer or inexperienced person. You would not be faulted if a jaywalker leapt out in front of your vehicle, allowing you no time to stop. The fact is, however, that you can avoid many such potential accidents if you scan ahead and drive slowly. Treat motorcycles as if they were regular vehicles, allowing them the full width of the road. Hazardous road conditions such as potholes, loose gravel, slick roads, pavement seams or grooves, lines painted on the road, oil on the road, railroad crossings, and metal bridge grids can all cause a motorcyclist to change direction or lose speed abruptly, or even lose control and take a spill. The way to handle such potential problems and avoid colliding into a downed motorcyclist is to give motorcyclists a 4-second following distance. You must always look carefully for motorcycles before you change lanes or make a left turn because they are hard to see. According to the U.S. Department of Transportation, 2,216 motorcyclists died in crashes in 1998, 29% less than in 1975. 29% of these fatally injured motorcyclists were driving without motorcycle licenses.